twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Did it remind you of your childhood days? So, in today's video, we are going to learn why do stars twinkle and why planets don't twinkle. So, first let us understand why do stars twinkle. The twinkling of the star is due to atmospheric refraction. The atmospheric refraction we are referring to here is the refraction of starlight by Earth's atmosphere. So the starlight on entering Earth's atmosphere undergoes refraction continuously, and this is due to the refractive index, which is different, and the refractive index of different medium is different here, and this is due to the physical conditions of the Earth's atmosphere being not stationary. Okay, so the Earth's atmosphere is not stationary, and that's why the refractive index of different layers of Earth's atmosphere is different. Now, by physical conditions, what do we refer here? We mean different layers of the Earth's atmosphere. That can be either rarer medium, denser medium, the medium of the layer with smoke particles, dust particles, and so on. Okay, so let's understand this with one example. So, hotter air, which is less dense than the cooler air. Okay, cooler air is more dense, hot air is less dense. Now, when the ray of light travels from hot air, that is which is less dense, so the refractive index of that is less than the cooler air. So when the ray of light travels from the rarer medium to the denser medium, the ray of light bends towards the normal. The refracted ray bends towards normal, as you can see here. And the opposite thing happens when the ray of light travels from the denser medium to the rarer medium. It bends away from the normal. Okay. The apparent position of the star. Now, by apparent position, we refer to the position that we can see in the sky of the star. So, the apparent position of the star appears slightly higher than its actual position, and this is because the atmosphere bends starlight towards the north. Okay, and that's why what appears as the position of the star is not the actual position. Okay. Now, since the stars are very distant, they appear as point-sized sources of light. Okay, and the path of ray of light coming from the star goes on varying, and apparent position of the star also keeps on varying. Okay, that is, keeps on fluctuating. The apparent position of the star keeps on fluctuating, and the amount of light that enters our eye keeps on flickering, and this is what gives the twinkling effect of the star, and that's why the stars twinkle. Okay, now let us understand why planets don't twinkle. A planet is nearer compared to the stars, and therefore they can be seen as extended sources of light. In fact, a planet is the collection of large point-sized sources of light. Light coming from each point-sized source of light is affected by atmospheric changes, as we have seen. Okay, so the total variation in the amount of light entering our eye will average out to 0. Therefore, planets don't twinkle, and this you can see in this image as well. Okay, so I hope you understood why stars twinkle and why planets don't twinkle.